You're recording me.
Turn around, Carmen, say hi. Carmen.
I called
Carmen has on some too small tights that she do not want people to see. Carmen, show them the hole so they can believe me. This is how low she can go.
Through what?
Show them the hole.
I will not degrade myself.
You gonna keep it rolling?
Yeah. I'm finna go. I'm finna leave you. Videotape that.
As you can see, she is definitely covering. She is going fast as hell to cover all them two little ass drops. It's a piece of lint on your ass.
I can't breathe. Stop, I can't breathe.
Please show the hole.
I'm hot.
Lift it out.
No.
There we have it, folks. You cannot see the hole. She did a damn good job at covering it. Until next time.
Bitch.
Love, peace, and kisses.
Oh,
How you press okay?